Hi, it's Tim. We just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford 425 horsepower turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper Efi 2 system for our customer's 1966 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We have a 347 Ford stroker engine, power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. It's real nice red ignition wires with all the wire markers on there. Brass freeze plugs on the engine block painted black. Oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. Correct front sump oil pan for the 66 Mustang. Roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. Black Ford Racing valve covers with the black Ford Racing 13-inch air cleaner. Distributor set in place. MSD ignition coil. Aluminum intake manifold. Holley Sniper Efi system on there. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball. We'll set up the Holley Sniper Efi menu screen. All the settings will be set for the customer, ready to go. The plug and play, ready to go. We have the correct automatic flex plate for the customer's AOD transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 347 Ford. We have the manifold vacuum fittings installed on the intake manifold for any vacuum hookups. This is the Holley Sniper Efi external fuel pressure regulator. We set the fuel pressure at 58.5 psi. This is the fuel return that goes back to the fuel tank from the regulator. So that's the fuel return, all set up. Heavy duty Russell fuel line, all the AN fittings, PCV valve on there, Russell heavy duty PCV hose on there. We have the Wraptor serpentine pulley kit, self-tensioning belt tensioner on there, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, AC compressor on there, correct lower hose location on the passenger side for the 66 Mustang, high flow standard rotation water pump, correct thermostat housing, thermostats installed, coolant bypass hose, 160 amp one wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there. Every engine is live run and fully tested for over 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the ignition timing. We check for leaks. Again, the Holley Sniper Efi system will be completely dialed in. The idle will be set. All the menu settings all done for you. So there it is, our 347 Ford 425 horsepower Holley Sniper fuel injected engine with the Wraptor pulley kit for a 66 Mustang, ready to go. Thanks for watching.